Hey guys, today I'm going to show you guys my crochet install with a net cap. The reason why I'm going to be using this is because my client has very thin hair on the top and sides, and I figured that this will really help me not braid her hair so tight and not put so much tension on her ends and hair that's thin on top. So stay tuned for this look. So the braid pattern that I'm going to be doing is a beehive, and the reason why I chose this is because when it's in a circle, I'm still able to crochet the hair all around for when I cut the band so it doesn't hurt her head. So this way the hair is still secure to the head. So my client is going on a cruise for the end of the year and holiday season, so she chose to get this crochet because it's very cute and it's very low maintenance. Just so you guys know, this style takes a little longer than when I usually just crochet it onto the braid because you have to fill in all of this space. So do not expect for this to be quick. I really thought this was going to be a quick style. It took me a little longer than I thought. So this is what I got so far. This is just one pack of hair. I did not cut this hair because she said at first that she wanted it long, but once she got it all in her head, she changed her mind. My client loved this method way better than she liked the braid pattern that we usually do, because she hates the knots. So she said this style makes it to where you cannot see the knots from the front, and I just filled it all the way to the top till I couldn't see any more space. Alright, this is the finished product and my client loves it. She is ready for her vacay, boo. And it looks so much more natural and it falls way better to her face. She looks so cute. Thank you guys for watching my video and stay tuned for more videos. Happy holidays.